Round and round the world we'll go.
John and Julie with our next trail, relaxing at our campsite.
This weekend has been a fun-filled weekend. We went to Ravenna Balloon Fest, and that was awesome. I loved it.
She loved it.
Yes.
Sunday. You ever see anything like this?
Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot.
What was your favorite part of the Balloon Fest?
Might have been the cheap ride on the monster truck.
It was fun.
It was better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. And we are in line to take a ride on a monster truck. We wish our grandson Miles was here with us because he would love it. But because I'm a boy mom, I've always loved monster trucks thanks to my sons, and I can't wait to get back on it. I liked going up in the balloon, and I thought that was pretty cool to do that tethered ride. But that first night,
when you got to test it earlier?
When I got to test it, I got to get in the basket and pull it, and then seeing all those balloons lit up at night to the music.
Yeah.
That was cool.
I think you liked because it was a surprise that you were able to do that.
Yeah.
So you probably felt pretty good about being able to get in there by surprise. The people were nice. Let her in the basket and squeeze the trigger for the fire.
Sometimes you got to go clear out to Arizona to see something like that. They have it right here in Ohio, in Northeast Ohio.
It's every year. It's an every year celebration here. So something to look up if you're in the northeast part of Ohio in the
end of September.
Yeah, mid to end September. Something you might want to look into.
Yeah, if you can reach it. I'll get on my feet. Actually hop in.
Really?
Yeah, come around the backside.
Okay. All right.
There's a foothold. Grab up here. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna make sure you don't burn it.
I'll follow you direct.
Go ahead.
This one?
Just one of them. Just squeeze.
The other one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
The glow is this one. Yeah, we're starting to get light.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool. So to get it up, you have to put those things down, and then to get it down, what do you got to do?
So for the balloon to come down, I do this. I do nothing. Because as it cools,
loses the air,
it starts to drop. So to keep it in the air, and then we have this fence. You really want to let the if I really need to come down, I can pull this. See the blue section? That'll actually pull down, and the air will come out around the sides of it.
Thank you so much. And you have GPS to get where
Really?
Well, that just tells me where I'm at.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I cannot steer it other than going up and down. So, like Keith does a circle. When I take off, I'm going to be going whichever the wind direction's going. I can go up or down to get different wind level, because each level of the wind might be doing something a little bit different, and I'll use that to go to the direction I want to try to go to.
So do you know where you're going to land? Do you have that planned out ahead?
So like right now, If we'd fly, we'd be out that way somewhere.
Because the wind.
Yeah. So
So when you need to land, what do you? I mean,
See, that field looks good. I'm gonna try to get to
really?
the field.
Okay.
oh, that yard looks nice, or whatever.
Okay.
Or that field doesn't look so good, but I need to get down, so I'm going to land in it anyway.
So you can't get back to where you started? It'd be
That's
too
why
hard.
you have your chase course.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it so.
The fireworks are going off, but John and I are getting ready to lift off. In a minute, we're going to be going up into this hot air balloon on a tethered ride. There's no place like home. That was really, really cool. And it was worth the wait
Was it?
and the money.
Was it?
Did you think so, honey? It's okay. He doesn't have to agree. I enjoyed it. Today we're ending the weekend with a gorgeous hike at Cuyahoga National Park.
Yeah. Brandywine.
Brandywine Falls.
Brandywine.
Yeah.
Shout out to you, Kyle Brandywine.
It was right off of All Trails app, looking up Brandywine Falls, but there's different trails you can take. So we took a longer trail, but again, the surprise.
The bonus here, once you go around the trail, probably about less than a half a mile, there's an area you can go down to the river. Take it and work yourself back towards the falls. It is rocky, there is scrambling, you're going to get wet.
Yeah.
It's worth it makes that hike 100 times better.
And now we're at Cuyahoga National Park, and we're hiking the Brandywine Falls Trail. It's really pretty. It starts off with a falls right away. You feel like you're on a natural path, or just a paved path, but there are some natural paths through the woods. I'm just going to show you a few snippets of this place so you can check it out too. So far, so good.
The shadows of this quiet town. I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could affirm? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
That was one of the most beautiful things I've done in a long time, walking down a river. Fallen a few times. Make sure your poles are in the water though.
Kind of reminded me of on a smaller scales when I tried to get up the waterfall in Mount Olympia.
That was cool. And I guess what the point is that when you're traveling and you get these surprises, that's what makes it. You know what I mean? Because we didn't expect that, but being able to walk through the river at the very edge of a fall and see that,
Makes it worthwhile. Yeah,
it sure was.
that's the best thing about traveling, right? The surprises that you come across.
Yeah. And so tomorrow we'll be going back to our house.
Yep.
We have rented this travel trailer for the first time, and John is pulling it with a truck for the first time.
Yep.
So we have another episode all about that. So
Yeah,
make
you
sure
can see that.
you're subscribed to the channel, so you can't miss that episode, because that's been an adventure too.
Yeah, and I don't know if I've said this yet or not, but if you have no experience with poling a travel trailer or unhitching it or hitching it, I'm telling you right now, I'm probably the most inexperienced person you can have with that aspect of traveling. And I tell you what, we were able to pull it off. And again, I don't want to jinx this because we got to go back home. But so far, it's I'm telling you, no experience whatsoever, we were able to pull it off without any trouble.
If you want to see the full adventure, make sure you look for that episode on our channel. So until next time,
Let our next trail
help you find your next trail.
To a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we wait